to my channel. Today we are doing puffy ears. What are puffy ears? We're gonna be doing some fur ears, which you can do lots of different characters, but I'm gonna be showing you our Tinkerbell ears and our Stitch ears, and how we used the puffy stuff. What is it even called? The furry stuff from the craft store. And also I made some matching fun things that I'll show you how I made as well with some of our products from shopantitay.com. I used some of our HTV and our epoxy series will teach you how to do some of these tumblers. And I think that's all I used in this one. All right, let's get going. Alrighty guys, for our puffy ears, I'm just using some pre-made ears and I'm just gonna do like a spiral of hot glue going around. I am using a high temp hot glue gun, so my glue does not dry very fast. If you're using a low temp, you're gonna have to work a little bit faster than this. But it's one of the reasons why I love high temp hot glue guns. It doesn't take very long. If you want this one, I have it in my Amazon store. Okay, now I'm gonna take our fluffy stuff and I'm just gonna kind of roll it around until it makes somewhat of a spirally circle. And then I'm going to cut it off at the end, and then that end is really messy because all those little fibers fall off. So I'm just going to kind of seal it with hot glue, and since this is going to take a second to dry, I will have to hold it for a second right there. And then once it's all in there, we are going to add it to our hat, and the perfect spot on a hat is right where that little hole is. The first hole falls on the hat, so I just do about a 4-inch little line of hot glue right over it. And the nice thing about hats is once you put them on, they hold those ears nice and tight and they stick straight up and they're super cute. And then we add our bow. This is our Lilo and Stitch ears, so check out how I made this bow in one of my other videos, which is patterned ribbon. And that is it. We're gonna add our bow right in front of that little knot on the top and it'll be good to go.